Okay, we're going to the third quarter. Official score 27-29. Let's go, third quarter. Setting on the play, and that's a blocking foul. That's the three, mula. Rebound by Jordan. Sheng. Tristan for three. Yes, para sa Tares by Tristan Flores. Ayan na, Aksan Beda. There's a offensive foul by jersey number 26. Shout out. Boss Jasper Yang is in the house. Bounce pass, C. Whoa, no good. Rebound, C. We don't get their own miss. Number 34, pass to number 0. Number 34. Gets the three, wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Jordan. Pass to Cheng. Jordan, strong drive. Ooh. There's a foul, number 34. Another free throw area. Two for Jordan Yang. Ball movement ng San Beda. Number 3 from elbow 3. Oh, good. Jordan, pass to C. Handoff to Vergara. To Flores. Handoff to Jordan. Jordan nabitawan. Out of bounds. Same ball. Vergara. Basket. Let's go. 38-27. Number 0. Kick out to number 17. Balik sa siyam ang ating kalamangan. Vergara. Cross-court pass to Flores. Flores 4-3. In and out. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 27. Bounce pass to number 3. Uy. That's a foul. the line, number 3. Para sa San Beda. Basket. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 2-for-2 by jersey number 3. Cheng, out the pass to Flores. Pass to Jordan. To C, top of the key, 4-3, short. Substitution. Tyrese Tang coming in for Jordan. Yan. Oh, offensive foul. Xavier School basketball. Tyrese. Pass to Flores. 4-3. Yes, sir. 3-point for Tristan Flores. Nakakadalawa na rin dito sa 3-point shot sa third quarter. Oh, steal by Cheng. Pass to C. Pass to Vergara. Cheng, 4-3. No good. Ooh. But there's a foul. Bola rito ng San Beda. Time remaining, 5 minutes. Number 0. Gets the 3. In and out. Makuha dito ni Tyrese. Bullet pass. Whoa! By Cheng. Nice shot. Assist by Tyrese Tang. Number 7. Pass number 18 to number 14. Cross-court pass to number 0. Pass to number 7. Number 7, di diskarte. Number 7, up and under. Ooh. And that's the 24-second shot clock violation. Four minutes and 10 seconds. Shoutout po yung low. And shoutout kila Mama Lisa and Mrs. Cheng is here. And the rest of the parents. Robin Huy. Ayan. Siyempre ang may bahay, ang ating coach. Coach T.Y. Tang. Alright. Time out dito ang San Beda. 43-31. Back to the ball game. Xavier School basketball. Cheng out the pass. Steal by number 3. Oopsie. And that's a stepping on the line. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Pulled up by Cheng. Basket is good. San Beda basketball. Number 7. Ayan na, kick out, number 0. Nabitawan, number 18. Kill, blocked by Cheng. Bola rito ng San Beda. 4-3, short, rebound. Tyrese, outlet pass. Cheng, back to Tyrese. Tyrese, stop and pump, short. Let's go. San Beda basketball. Number 7 to number 25. Bounce pass. Nasa Kolob. Number 18. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Tyrese. Tyrese nagmamadali. Tyrese derecho. Gets the foul. Two shots for Tyrese. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Two shots for Tyrese. First shot, no good. Second shot. Basket. 46-31. San Beda basketball. Number 18. Number 77. Pull up using the glass and score. Vergara. Pass to Tyrese. To Jordan. Jordan. And gets the foul. Number 18. Minute and 37 seconds. First shot para ay Gobing Huy. Miss. Warning for delaying the game. Coach of San Beda. Gobing Huy on the free throw area for the second shot. Gobing Huy, basket. 47-33. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Number 15, steal by Tyrese, but gets a foul. Number 15. Time remaining 1 minute and 26 seconds. San Beda under penalty situation. Tyrese Tang on the free throw area. Basket. possession. Tyrese, pass to Vergara for 3, no good. Outlet pass, number 77. Ooh. 35-48. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Cheng coming in. Outlet pass, Tyrese, binigay. Wow, nice move. Oh, he missed the shot by D. Okay lang yan, bawi. Step back, number 14 from elbow 3, short, rebound by Gobinghoy. Pass to Cheng. Cheng, di diskarte. Cheng, step back 3, in and out. Tyrese with a putback. 51-35. Ayan na ang San Beda. Last 21 seconds. Number 14 to number 25. Isolation play to C to D. Ibigay sa gitna. Fake to number 25. Tumira sa 3. No good. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, oh! And that's the end. And that's a traveling violation. End of the third quarter, 35-51 in favor of our Xavier School. Okay, back to the ball game. San Beda basketball, fourth quarter. Xavier School basketball rather. Ayan na, dito na magkakaalaman kung sino papasok sa finals. Tyrese, pinasa. Pass to D. C. D. Tumira, wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 14. Number 7. Miss. Out of bound. Ooh. Number 17 to number 18 to number 7 for 3. Wala. Rebound ng Xavier. Outlet pass. Vergara. And that's a travel. Shooting the line, jersey number 3. Basket. Second shot is good. It's a foul. Number 27, pull up, no good. Rebound by Tristan Flores. Pass to Cheng. C to Cheng. Pass to C, hand off to Flores. Flores to C. C, nabitawan. Steal ang San Beda, number 14, pass number 3, drop pass to number 27. And 1. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 27. Basket 40-51. Mabasa 11 ang ating kalamangan. Time out ba? Wala pa tayong time out. Vergara. Pass to Cheng. Cheng. To C. Uy, nabitawan. Guy, number 14, all the way. Mahabol ang San Beda. Vergara to Flores, in and out. Rebound ng San Beda. Ayun na, number 27, pass number 7. Let's go, defense. Number 7, binigay sa gitna, steal, out of bounds, last touch. Sabre School Basketball. And shoutout po rin kay Coach Joey Chang and kay Angelo Soriel Manaloto is watching. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Time out muna rito ang ating Xavier. 6 minutes and 36 seconds ang ating remaining time ng 4th quarter. ball game. Tristan, kick out, bounce pass to Jordan, to Cheng, 4-3, no good, rebound by number 3. Pass number 27, pinasa loob, using the glass and score. Jordan Yang, drop pass, see, all the way. What a nice connection. Yang could see. Ayun na, San Beda, derecho. Kick out to number 7, top of the key, 4-3, wala. And out of bound. Same ball. San Beda basketball. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Number 14 to number 18. To number 7. Pinasa corner, fake. Pass number 7, floater, wala. Oh, get number 14 with a putback. Mahabol ang San Beda. Cheng, nagmamadali, binigay sa corner, C4-3, yes sir! Para sa Atares. Let's go Xavier. Ayun na, crossover, number 18, kick out to number 7. No good, rebound by Jordan. Yang with the ball. Yang didiskarte. Yang. Pass to C. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Clores. Oy. Gets the foul. On the free throw area, choosing number 55, Tristan Clores. Four minutes and 35 seconds remaining na ating fourth. First shot is good. For 2 for Tristan Flores, 58-46. Hand off to number 18. Crossover. Bigay kay number 17, 4-3. No good. Rebound number 3. No good pa rin. Rebound number 3. Oh, there's a foul. Kay Tristan Flores. No good. Second shot. Wala. Uy. Offensive foul. Wala ito natin. Cheng. Pass to C. C. Pass to Cheng. Back to C. To Clores from elbow 3. Yes, sir. for Christian Flores. Ayan na. Ang San Beda, 61-46. Number 18, step back 3. In and out. Rebound by Cheng. As to see. Hand off to Cheng. Cheng di diskarte. Pass to Tyrese. Get the pick. Tyrese running shot. Easy 2 points. Oh, another steal for Tyrese. Uy, bad pass. Steal ng San Beda. Number 18, binigay sa corner. Number 17 for 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni number 14. Number 14 at top of the key. Wala. Rebound ni Cheng. Cheng, didiskarte. Pass to C. Hand off to Cheng. Cheng. Hand off to Vergara. Back to Cheng. Hand off to Tyrese. Tyrese with the cross. Spin. Up and under. And one for Tyrese. Yay. What a nice move for Tyrese Tang. Grabe yun. Ayan, shoutout din kay Titus Tang is watching. Nakita ko siya kanina sa live. Ayan, shoutout sa'yo bro. Titus Tang. Tyrese, get that 3-point attempt. Ayan na ang San Beda, number 34. Spin, kick out. Number 18, pass number 14. Catch and shoot, miss. Rebound number 24. Blocked by C. Oh. And there's a traveling violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Number 7 to number 8. Number 0. Back to number 7. One minute and 52 seconds. Jordan. Pass to Vergara. Vergara. Oh, steal. 2 against 1. Number 14. Drop pass. Gets the basket. Cheng out the pass. He will miss. Tumira. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Out that pass. Ayan ang San Beda. Number 28. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Vergara. Jordan. Hando. Jordan spin. Naitawid. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Cheng. Pass to C. Basket yan for C. Gets the foul. Substitution. We call. And go. At pinasok na rin dito si Brandon Kyoto. Last 53 seconds ng ating laban. On the free throw area, jersey number 27. First shot is good. Second shot. Basket. Official score po natin is 50-68. Out of bound. Last 45. Go. Pass to Brando. Tui. Ko. Umatake. Gets the foul. May lamok. On the free throw area, number 17. Let's go. Good. Second shot. Go. Basket. Substitution. Pinasok ng mga bench player ng ating Xavier. Third unit. Oh! Gets the 3. Go. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game. At tayo na po ipapasok sa finals. If I'm not mistaken, our final score is 69-52. What a good game from both teams this season. Okay. Muli, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood. At magkita-kita po tayo to our next live. Panalo po ang ating Xavier School. And nice game para sa San Beda. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nag-share, nag-like at nag-subscribe. Ayan, sa mga gusto manood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Happy blessed Sunday. Alam po.